boogeyman, 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 boogeyman. Shit, I can't lie, I shed a couple tears when I wrote this. Shit got deep, and I just had to release myself and drown my soul and my burdens. Had to let go of all these tears that was on my shoulders. Man, I'm feeling like a therapist at home. And I'm just doing this for all the ones who sticked out for me. And vision that I vision, man, I had some tunnel vision. Right. And some of them will switch on me. And I say it's life. We move. I can't blame y'all. Where do I go from here? I gotta find the door. And I find the door. I gotta break it down. I don't wanna knock. I'm gonna break it down. If it doesn't wanna break down, I'm gonna find a window. By all means, I'm going to. Yeah. Boogeyman, 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 boogeyman. Shit. What you got me on? I say congratulations to me when you see me. Make a wish when you see me and make your Insta. I'm over business, I'm for strange precisions. I cannot be out here settling for this when I know I'm destined for more. Man, when you see me, you just know that I got a lot of families to feed. Oh no, not all of them is mine. Shit, I got a lot on my shoulders and on my mind. So don't you expect from me? Shit, I'm building on my family tree, planting it wherever I gotta have my seed at. You know I got bury my fruits, you know the apple never falls far from the tree. That's what it dances. Fuck what they say to you, my nigga, you gotta go hard. You're a star. There's some heat that shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shit, like, I do not expect to be here, but like, if I'm here at the moment, then it's okay.